Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue here. I wanted to show you this card that one of my crafty friends gave me, Miss Chelsea. She is SugarRayCrafts. I'm late getting this video up. I'm late getting a lot of videos up. I haven't really felt a whole lot of good since Christmas, and I just been kind of lazy doing a lot of stuff, and I don't know what it is. It's just I hadn't felt well enough to do a whole lot of crafting or anything for that matter. But anyway, so I thought I would show this, and I love this card because look. Yeah, and then it says, "You've stolen a piece of my heart." Oop, I got too close. But this is the cutest thing. Look at that. It's got the little face. Cute. And then she put a little note in there for me. Thank you, Chelsea. This is just the cutest little card. Thank you so much. And I'm going to try to get some more cards done. And some other little crafty things I want to get done. And also I went to a crop in January, and I want to show you the layouts that I did while I was there. I did them of my grandson. The only time I do layouts is when I'm at crops, and now I've gotten, it was twice a year, but now I've gotten to the point where it's only once a year because I just don't feel like doing it twice. It's really tiring because you have to pack up all your stuff and then take it, and it's for 3 days, and it's here close to me, so I don't have to like stay in a hotel or nothing. I can just come home. But then at the end of it, you have to pack it up from there and bring it home and then unpack it again, and it's just gotten to where it is so tiring, and I decided I just want to do it once a year. I don't want to quit doing it. But it's really gotten so tiring for me to do that, but I don't want to quit because I love it so much, and also because that's the only time I do layouts. And I really need to start doing them at home, or else I'll never get them done. So anyway, I'll show you some of that and maybe some other things, but I really wanted to show you this card because it was such a cute card. Thank you so much, Chelsea. I really appreciate it. And we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.